Yo, welcome back to the challenge, day number 94, speaking every single day on camera until you get fluency in English. Let's go speaking today already. Again, okay, which of the following companies would you prefer to work for? First question, interesting. A company that offers you challenging and interesting projects but very few vacation days, or a company that offers you job with boring work each day but long vacation each year. I would prefer definitely working in a company with interesting projects but less vacation days, because interesting for me personally, right? Because when I enjoy my working, when I don't think about going to the break to home as soon as possible, when I'm really engaged in the process 100%, and I guess I will earn much more money working on interesting projects without vacations. Second task, what does the male student think about the new computers in the library? A committee in university has decided to set a new computers in the library. Computers which were in the library, they were in pretty good conditions, and they did all the functions, all the tasks where students really need. So changing by new ones, it is just wasting of resources. University will better to increase the space to make it wider for study, for working in university, because currently it is pretty small space and narrow maybe. And the second point was about digital literacy. What university was going to increase in MS students, like working with digital gadgets, but students, they all have their own laptops, digital platforms, gadgets, so they are really educated in digital literacy, and there is no need for them to get something more from university. Using examples given in the lecture, explain the concept of opportunity cost. The concept of opportunity cost is basically based on making decisions which will significantly and directly influence your future life and have an insignificant impact. It's pretty noticeable, I will say. Imagine you are a student and you have $20 to buy a book or to go to concert, two options, and you need to choose something. You for example choose to buy a book, and now you will take advantage of the book and give up on the opportunity to go to the concert, so you miss these all emotions from the concert. Second example, it is about time. You have an evening or nights, 3 nights, and you need to prepare for exam for tomorrow, or you can play video games this night. You also will choose. You will play or you will study. You decided to play games. Now, the opportunity cost is actually the good grades in exam. You decided to take emotions from the game, to take this advantage, you gain the advantage. So, good grades, and in the first example, what was the first example? The playing games? No. They playing the good grades and go to concerts. This is opportunity cost.
Know that the plankton have a lot of diversity. They don't just live in.
Last question. What are the vital roles of phytoplankton? Include points and examples from the lecture. At first sight, phytoplankton is something small and not such an important thing somewhere in the depth in the ocean. But actually, phytoplankton plays a significant role in the whole ecosystem, in several ecosystems in our planet Earth. I'm gonna mention that phytoplankton provide the whole ocean for the huge amount of oxygen. And if we remove all the phytoplankton from the ocean, it will be the same effects as in after meteorites would kill dinosaurs for marine life. The second crucial role of phytoplankton is that they're being a part of huge food chain, because fish eats phytoplankton, and the biggest fish will eat this small fish, and a biggest fish will eat that previous biggest fish. So this is a sequence of eating each other. So if we will remove even small, even the first phase of this chain, it means we will kill everyone rest. Conclusion, we cannot remove even a small, at first sight, unnecessary parts. Yeah. Yes, sir. All right, day 94 is done. See you tomorrow, bro. Let's go. I wanna sleep.